Hello students, today we are going to learn about the functions. As you can see in the LibreOffice Calc, the class 10 result is prepared. There are 4 students and the marks they have got in these subjects like English, Hindi, Maths, Science and Social Science is given. We are going to use different functions here. First of all, we will find the total for each of the student. For this, we will use the sum function. We are going to choose this functions option from the sidebar. The functions dialog box will open up. From this drop down box, we will select the mathematical option and using the scroll bar we will find the sum function. Then we will click here in the insert function into calculation sheet option. As you can see in our active cell, the sum function is inserted. Next, we have to choose the argument for the sum function. Here, this cell range is our argument. That is B3 to F3. We will press the enter key and we can see the result. In order to calculate the sum for rest of the students, we will use the fill handle to copy the function. So we can see these are the totals for each of the student. Next, we are going to find the average. For finding the average, we will select the statistical option from this drop down box. And here is the average function. After clicking on average, we will click on this option called the insert function into calculation sheet and our function will be inserted in the active cell. Just like in case of the sum function, here also we have to choose the argument, that is the range of the cells. After we are done, we will press the enter key and our average is calculated. We will copy the function and the average for rest of the student is also calculated. Our next work is to find out the total number of students. This time again we will choose the statistical option from this drop down box and we will search for the function called count. Then we will click here in the insert function into calculation sheet option. Now we have to choose the argument. We will choose the argument from the cells where there is a number value. After we are done, we will click on the enter key and here is our total number of students. Next, in order to find the highest marks, we will use the max function. Here we will search for the max function. Here it is and we will click on this option and our function will be inserted. Now we have to give the argument. For that, we will select the range of the cells and we will press on the enter key. So this is our highest marks. For finding the lowest marks, we will find here the mean function and click on this option our main function is inserted in the active cell. Just like in the previous case, we will choose the argument. After we are done, we will press the enter key and the lowest marks is calculated. In this way, we can use the functions in order to perform our work in the electronic spreadsheet. That's all for today. Thank you.